in terms of functions, there is the if and nested if function. The if function is a very handy function. It really specifies if this condition, then that, otherwise not at all. And let's create a scenario. So let's say someone's salary is at 10,000 per month. Someone's sales would have to be recorded. Okay, this is on a commission basis, and then there is commission, of course, and then there's the total. The total would be, of course, the salary plus the commission. Obviously, the commission then based on sales. So that's the scenario that we've created. Good. So let's go and create the if statement here underneath commission. We would have to say equals if, open bracket, and let's say the sales is greater than 50,000, right? Then we would have to, and be very careful, it could be a semicolon depending on your computer's configuration. Then we would have to say sales multiplied by 10%. Right? Otherwise, okay, 0. Right? And it defaults to false. If we were to use the wizard, we'd have to specify a fourth condition, and the fourth condition would be false. So it's 0 at this point. If it's 51,000, we have a 10%. Okay, if it's 49,000, we have a 0. Okay, that's it. Right, so that's the if statement. Let's go back there and let's just look at the actual syntax. In fact, allow me to insert a text box, and in that text box we will put this particular formula. Okay, so let's put that formula in the text box, nice and clear for everyone to see. There it is. Right. Now we're going to do a nested if. A nested if will follow the same scenario in this case, but a nested if is going to apply a second condition. So the way we do a nested if is we create the first nest and then we go on to create the second nest. So then we put if again and another bracket, in this case B9, right, is greater than 100,000, let's say, is greater than 100,000. Then the inner conditions apply, so B9 would be multiplied by, let's say, 20% commission, right? And then the outer condition applies for the 10%, which applies, of course, then to the 50,000 in this case, all right? And then we would need to, okay, there we go. And we would need to put the bracket at the end there, and the comma 0 close bracket again. Let's check that that works. Yes, it does work. Let's just paste that into the text box to see what the nested if statement looks like. It used to be only 9 levels it went in. I think now it's infinite, so it can go down many levels. Right, so let's test that if statement. So if the person gets about 50,000, 100,000, should we say 101,000, then we've got a 20% commission, correct. If we've got a 99,000, we've only got a 10% commission. Right. So that's the if and the nested if. Please note the syntax over there. The file can be downloaded from the description list below.